So today I thought I'd share with you my Pandora jewelry collection. The first thing I'm showing you I bought on Black Friday. Usually it comes in these little white boxes, but they said they're trying to save like the environment. So they sent me these little pouches, but they sent all 3 rings in this box. So I still keep them together in this box. And I bought 3 rose gold rings. They were all 30% off since it was Black Friday. So they were all under $100. But they were probably like $70 to $80 each, because normally they're about $115. So this little heart one, that's rose gold. It has a little pink heart. I got this floral one. It has flowers all around it with little diamonds in each flower. And it's super cute. And it actually came with this one, which has the enamel flowers with the heart, with the diamonds in it. So they actually come together and you get to choose which size. But you don't have to buy them together, but they just give you that idea. So I love these 3 rings and I've been wearing them all the time. I almost feel like my skin color is rose gold because I feel like the rings kind of blend with my skin. Then I got this ring about a year ago. It was on sale. And it's a little bow and it has like diamonds in it. And I am happy with Pandora's jewelry because it's not real gold. It's like some kind of gold blended with metal. You can buy real gold too, but it's more expensive. But I've been happy with it. It hasn't changed colors or anything. And then the other thing I got are these earrings, and it's the mix match earrings. So one of them is a bumblebee, and these are gold. These are actually gold plated, 14 karat gold. And it has a little heart for the other one. So one side you use a little heart, on the other side you use a little bumblebee. I also have a ladybug clover set. They're supposed to be mix matched, but I can't find it to show you. And then of course I have a Pandora bracelet with charms. I've had this for many years, before everybody else started getting the Pandora bracelet. I had one, my sister got it for me. So it was not as popular back then. So if you see some beads that you've never seen before, it's because some of these beads are from the beginning when people started, before people started catching on to Pandora. So I have a little cat bead. I have a little camera for my YouTube channel. I have a little money bag. I have this little turtle, a fish. I have a little heart spacer. A little shell with a gold starfish on it. I have a snowman. I have one that says sister. So I feel my bracelet is pretty full. I don't think I want to get any more. I don't want it to be jam-packed. But I know it needs to be cleaned. But the camera is the most recent one I got. I probably got it a couple months ago. And that's when I decided I think my bracelet is done. I do like the idea of theme bracelets though, and maybe in the future I'll start another bracelet that has a color theme or an item theme. This originally was going to be a ocean sea theme, so I had the shell and the fish and all that. but I ended up just being a bunch of charms that I like and that mean things to me. And then of course it came with this. It's like a necklace that you can put some charms on if you want to. You could make it, just put one charm on it if you want. But I just want to share with you my Pandora jewelry collection. I'm really happy with it. There's some more rings I want to get because I do love the rings a lot. So subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.